एड्रेस इस वक्त क्योंकि हम लोग वांट टू हैव अ बेस इन कोकन, तो हमने चिकलूर का दिया हुआ है. इट कैन बी चेंज एनी टाइम एनीवेयर, नॉट मैटर. Expected timeline, we are expecting around sometime in January 2020, क्योंकि हम लोग जो ट्रस्ट जो है वो रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं रत्नागिरी में. That is the nearest or the proximity for our trust being registered. बॉम्बे में भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये है कि we prefer that वो कोकण में ही नहीं. Now, the reason I'm saying is that according to the trust compliance, non-resident Indian cannot be a member of the trust. अब आप ये कहेंगे there are a lot of people, yes, there are a lot of people जो non-resident है लेकिन member भी मैं खुद हूँ. मैं एक ट्रस्ट में खुद मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी हूँ, लेकिन वो मेरी अपनी पर्सनल ट्रस्ट है. हम इसमें इसलिए नहीं चांस लेना चाहते हैं क्योंकि अगर किसी ने अगर कंप्लेंट की तो दैट ट्रस्टी विल बी his nomination will be rejected immediately and he will be removed from the trust by the charity commission. I don't think there is any penalty. लेकिन ये है कि ये जो ट्रस्ट है ना, ये दो हमने इसको प्राइवेट ट्रस्ट रखा है क्योंकि initially, but eventually it will go into public trust. क्योंकि जितने क्योंकि उसकी जो प्राइवेट ट्रस्ट की जो मेंबरशिप जो है वो should not exceed 9 members in the private maximum होता है. पब्लिक ट्रस्ट के लिए कोई there is no limit on that. So eventually we will go as public trust. और हम इस ट्रस्ट के साथ we don't want to take any chance. क्योंकि कल के लिए कुछ अगर मैनेजिंग सपोज अगर हम में से कोई मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी बन जाता है और कल के लिए अगर कोई इश्यू बन जाता है, और ये आजकल जो है वो गवर्नमेंट जो है they keep changing the laws very often. तो हम नहीं चाहते कि इसके साथ कोई हम we take a chance on that. लेकिन we will have our own internal policies and procedure which will basically उस ट्रस्ट को जो है वो मॉनिटर करेंगे और कंट्रोल करेंगे. May not have legal title on that, but then we have that in mind. So they will not go out of control. दूसरी चीज ये है कि और एक चीज इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि what we are thinking about is the next thing is the commercial entity, which is what I'm talking about. ये दो entities है, एक तो trust और एक commercial entity. Trust will take care of the production unit. Trust will take care of the training centers. और commercial entity में अगर कल के लिए अगर हम, for example, I become or people who will have a proper legal format on that. कल के लिए assume करें अगर मैं board of director में अगर हूँ and if I also become a member of the trust, there is a conflict of interest technically, because then there might be an issue. Okay, the issue will be from the company compliance. We cannot be the board of directors, and we cannot be the trustee whom you are working. Basically, क्योंकि ये जो कमर्शियल एंटिटी हम बनाने का सोच रहे हैं, वो basically will be dealing with the trust all the time, the product of the trust. अब वो how we are going to do it? We want to have a holding company. Because how do we attract the investors? Investor तो charity में trust में तो नहीं देंगे ना. And नए डील के हिसाब से जो पास हुआ, you cannot have the loan from the people who are not part of the trust or the company. There is a new bill has been passed, and that is a problem. पहले क्या होता था कि ये कोई भी लोन दे देता था, then you know they had their own reasons for that. तो अब उन्होंने उसको जो है लॉक कर दिया है कि if you are not a member of that company, if you are not shareholder of that company, if you are not a board of director, you cannot give loan to that company. Same thing goes with the charity trust. और they are monitoring it very closely. तो हम ये है कि we don't want anybody to give us the loan to the charity. What we want people to do is to buy the shares from the holding company, and that holding company will then provide all the equipments, assets on a rental basis. The source of revenue will be for the holding company, will be the number one, the rent that we will get from the training center. ये holding company बना ही उसी के लिए रहे. Number two, we will also have the subsidized companies wholly owned by the holding company. What is subsidized company is that हम लोग distribution, marketing will be done by the subsidized company. Wholesale supply chain will be done by the subsidized company, and they will be fully owned by the holding company. Production unit जो है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ जो है वो they will focus on the manufacturing the products, and that's where they finish. So any profit they gain after the expenses will be the profit that will be retained by them. Any profit for the supply chain, any profit coming from the marketing and sale, and the rent will be retained by the holding company, and that will go to the shareholders as dividend whenever we have a break-even. That is the structure of the whole process. इसलिए मैंने कहा ये दो यूनिट सेपरेट है functionally, but strategically they are one and same. For the legal compliance, we have to separate it ताकि दोनों की जो है वो एक standing जो है वो separate रहे from the legal perspective. तो ये basically what we are saying is the when we are ready, when we reach this stage, we have not reached this stage. We have the feasibility, we have all the information, but we are just going in steps. Now the next thing is that we are going to work on this commercial entity once we finish with the trust formation. Trust formation जब हो जाएगी, then we will have a legal status on our production unit, and then we will go for the company, holding company or commercial entity. वहाँ हम जो है ना वहाँ से फिर हम काम शुरू कर देंगे, and that will be the next chapter or the next part of the whole process. The idea क्या है कि what we are thinking is issue equity shares, and then we are also thinking, but there are like minimum of say 1 lakh per share. Number two, this is not a final number, we're just looking at the possibility. Number two, that we will get the loan from the shareholder for the same amount that he buys the shares from us, interest free. Because if shares बेच के, that capital will not really take us long. So what we have to do is we have to क्योंकि ये जो है वो this is all for the sake of you, for the sake of Allah. ये एक बहुत ही अहम काम है. हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इन्वेस्टर अपना पैसा लगाए और अपना जो है वो डिविडेंड भी ले और साथ साथ अजर भी ले. So we may not be able to give you the same market dividend, but at least ये है कि your money is safe. Tomorrow you can sell the share if you want, to somebody else. That's not a problem. So this is the gist of it. We have not got all the details on this from our perspective, but we will certainly come back to you and we'll take you from here on the next level of work. But the last slide is that we will, our growth plan, just for information, how we are looking at it we will be looking at, like the initial growth will be, this is what we are working on it, and mid-term growth and the long-term growth. We are really looking at, a global type of, brand, from our vision, and इंशाल्लाह दुआ करें कि इसमें जो है वो हमारी जो है वो एफर्ट्स कामयाब हो। मेहनत करना, कोशिश करना हमारा काम है। ये we have been very transparent in what we are doing, what we have done so far, what we plan to do it, and how we are going to go about. And we will certainly come back to you if you wish, and we'll take you further down. क्योंकि इस काम में टाइम जरूर लगेगा, लेकिन I assure you that जो भी चीज़ हम ले आएंगे आपके पास, it will be transparent. No, there is no hidden agenda. We are not. Please, क्योंकि अक्सर लोगों के दिमाग में होता है कि this is going to be another scam. But this is not. We are into that. Allah बेहतर जानता है. This is a sincere and very very sincere, initiative from Konkan Committee Jeddah, और बिल्कुल सारे members इसमें काम कर रहे हैं. We are not expecting everybody should really, acknowledge that, or everybody should really, take it forward. What we are ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, हम आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं, इनमें हम आपको दावत दे रहे हैं, आए हमारे साथ काम करें, whether on project or on this entity, we are all open on that. क्योंकि ये न मेरी है न कोकन कमेटी जद्दा की है, दिस इज फॉर एवरीबडी, क्योंकि हम एक खास मकसद से इस पे जो काम कर रहे हैं, और इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद रखते हैं कि नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए भी आप हमें दावत देंगे। अपना मुकाबला हाज़िर अस्तगफिरुल्लाह।